Welcome back to another episode of Your Money Moment, your go-to source for valuable insights and advice on personal finance and wealth management. I'm your host, Mauritz Oberholzer, and today we have a very special episode that's bound to excite all of you who recently received or are in line to receive your annual bonuses. We'll be discussing the top ideas on how to make the most of that extra cash. So if you're wondering whether to splurge or to save, stay tuned as we explore some fantastic options. So to kick things off, it's essential to start with the basics. Before you dive into any grand plans for your annual bonus, make sure you've covered your financial foundations. This means paying off any high interest debt or any debt for that matter, such as credit card balances, and ensuring that you have an emergency fund in place. Before that, you shouldn't even think about doing anything else. Having a solid financial base will provide you with peace of mind and financial security. Once your financial foundations are secure, consider allocating a portion of your bonus towards your retirement savings. Invest in an RA or other retirement accounts that can help you secure your financial future. Even a small percentage of your bonus can grow significantly over time through the magic of compound interest. And remember, if you take a portion of that money, put it in your RA, you are bound to receive some of that money back as a rebate from SARS. So you can win-win twice. If your retirement savings are on track, you might want to explore other investment opportunities. Tax-free savings accounts are good. Also, investing in stocks, bonds, perhaps real estate, even though it's a bit up and down at the moment, it can potentially yield impressive returns. Diversify your portfolio to reduce risk, and remember to do research or consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. Another awesome way to use your bonus is investing in yourself. Consider furthering your education or acquiring a new skill that can boost your career prospects and additionally then secure a higher income. Whether it's a professional course, a degree, or attending workshops, personal growth is an investment that can pay off handsomely in the long run. If you're a homeowner, using your bonus for improvements can add value to your property and enhance your living experience. Another option is to put that money towards your bond and then ensure you pay off your bond earlier, which saves you a lot of interest. Another great way to use your bonus is giving back. So consider donating a portion to a cause or organization you're passionate about. Not only will you be making a positive impact in the world, but you may also qualify for tax deductions when you file your annual tax returns. Remember, the tax is a 18A tax certificate that you can get back. So make sure if you want to get some of that money back, make sure that company is recognized as a charity that you can use as a tax deduction. If all of the above mentioned is taken care of, for those then seeking memorable experience, allocate a part of your bonus to travel and adventure. Experiences can be more fulfilling than material possessions, and they create lasting memories. Whether it's a dream vacation, art, air balloon ride, or learning a new skill or sport, investing in experiences can be priceless. Remember, just don't overextend yourself and use more than the bonus, and then eventually you're in debt. And that is the total opposite of what this bonus is all about. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, your annual bonus could be seed money you need. Entrepreneurship can be a risky endeavor. With careful planning and a solid business idea, it might lead to a financial independence and personal satisfaction. And there you have it. That's our top ideas for making the most of your annual bonus. Remember, the best approach depends on your individual financial goals and circumstances. It's often a good idea to mix and match some of these options so you can save, invest, and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. Thank you for tuning in to Your Money Moment. If you found this episode helpful, please tune in next week, same time, same place.
When you're navigating through life's big events, like buying a home, starting a family, or approaching retirement, you need sound and impartial financial advice. Mauritz Oberholzer, a financial advisor at Stonehouse Capital, specializes in personal financial planning. Visit mauritzoberholzer.co.za or call 082 774 1996. For practical and easy to understand advice and tips, don't miss your Money Moment with Mauritz Oberholzer, Thursday mornings at 10 on eRadio.